सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ श्लोका नंबर 189। योऽयं विज्ञानमयः प्राणेषु हृदि स्फुरत्ययं ज्योतिः कूटस्थः सन्नात्मा कर्ता भोक्ता भवत्युपाधिस्थः। Shankaracharya, having completed the Vijnanamaya Kosha, the fourth Anatma, now he is taking a small diversion. Instead of going to Anandamaya Kosha, he is taking from this shloka onwards up to 205 is going to talk about the Upadhi. This subject about Upadhi is one of the important topic in Vedanta. Discussion about Upadhi. Doors. In this shloka 189, Shankaracharya takes an example from Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, Swayam Jyoti Brahmanam, the discussion of Upadhi comes here Upadhistasya Upadhirasya Eshaha Bhavati Asya Atmanaha Eshaha Vijnanamaya Koshaha Upadhihi Bhavati. In the previous shloka, Shankaracharya has pointed out 188. Upadhihi asya asya paratmanaha eshaha means this Vijnanamaya Kosha. The last line is previous line. Eshaha Vijnanamaya Koshaha, we have to supply Upadhihi Bhavati. So what is the Upadhi we have to see now. Therefore, Shankaracharya talks about that Upadhi. He very clearly explains here in this portion, Yaha ayam Vijnanamayaha. Yoyam means Yaha ayam Vijnanamayaha. See the 189. Ayam Vijnanamayaha means Bimba Chaitanyam Atma Spurati. Spurati means it reflects. Vijnanamaya means we should not take it as Vijnanamaya Kosha. Vijnanamaya means Bimba Chaitanyam Atma. Bimba Chaitanyam, OC or Atma These terms are all should be on fingertips. Then only we can enjoy the subject. Enjoy, understand the subject. When you understand, you can enjoy. So understanding the subject and enjoying the subject are not different. Understand. I am enjoying the subject. புரியறதா என்ன? புரியல இருந்தாலும் கூட I enjoy. People say, அது எப்படி முடியும்? Without understand, how can you enjoy? So when I understand only, really I can enjoy. That means what you are telling enjoying is not because of subject. I enjoy Swamini class. அதுதான், அது ஒரு அபிமானம் இருக்கு சில பேருக்கு. அப்படியாவது வரட்டும் கிளாஸுக்கு, பரவாயில்ல, தப்பில்லை. Sometimes student like the guru than subject. Sometimes students like the subject but they don't like guru anadu கிடையாது. They may like guru, they may not have much understanding in the subject, they can come. But without liking guru, no one can sit in the class. That is difficult. So the guru language, guru expression, some liking, it comes by itself. ஏன்னா அதே தெரியாது. So the love and affection towards the teacher and the subject both are important. Then interest will take place. Then understanding will take place. Then joy comes in that class. Once I get the joy in that class, I enjoy by understanding, I will never miss the class. This is the sign of understanding. கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமாக இருக்க கேட்குறதுக்கு, but this is the fact I will tell you. If I understand the subject, I will enjoy. If I enjoy the subject, I will never miss the class at any time. என்ன ஆகட்டும். This is called real understanding. Understanding, enjoy, because of what? I know the significance of the study of Shastra. So therefore, once in a while I take like this aside points. விஜ்ஞானமயா எதுக்கு சொல்றேன்னா, இந்த மாதிரி டெக்னிக்கல் டேர்ம்ஸ் எல்லாம் நல்ல, இஃப் ஐ கிராஸ்ப் ஓன்லி ஐ கேன் கோ அலாங் வித் த சப்ஜெக்ட். ஸ்புரதி மீன்ஸ் இட் ரிஃப்ளெக்ட்ஸ். வேர் ஆல் த பிளேசஸ் இட் ரிஃப்ளெக்ட்ஸ்? பிராணேஷு, இந்த பிராண, ஹிருதி, இந்த ஹார்ட், அயம் ஜோதிஹி ஸ்புரதி, அயம் ஜோதிஹி Purati. This Purushaha, this original consciousness, it reflects in this Vijnanamaya Kosha. Therefore Atma is called Jyotihi. There is one shloka, Eka Shloki, only one shloka Shankaracharya wrote. Whole Vedanta, the Swayam Jyoti Brahmanam put together in one shloka. There was one person in the village. That person has got some disease. He cannot go anywhere, he cannot mix with the people, he cannot talk with the people. So he is sitting alone and he is worrying so much. Nobody come near to him, he cannot go near to anyone. Once Shankaracharya came to that village, he went and said all his very problems, how he is undergoing that trauma in the mind. Then Shankaracharya has got a discussion with that person. The essence of that whole discussion of Shankaracharya, his students kept in that. Even Shankaracharya himself wrote the whole teaching with that person, discussion, in one shloka. In one shloka. The essence of that shloka is, Shankaracharya asks a question, he is giving answer. Again Shankaracharya puts a question, he gives the answer. Like this 5-6 questions, by the 7th, 6th question he got the answer. He got jnana. See that. What Shankaracharya asked? What is that by which you are seeing the objects? What is that by which you are seeing the objects? Then that person said, I am seeing all the objects by the sun in the daytime. In the daytime I am seeing objects through the sunlight. In the night I see all the objects by either lamp or moonlight or stars brightness I am seeing. He answered. Then Shankaracharya asked, what is that light which seeing all these lights, either Suryan, Prakasha or Chandra Prakasha, you are seeing, by which light you are seeing them? Clear? By which light you are seeing the sunlight, moonlight, stars? That light you are seeing, I am seeing with my eyes. He said, I am seeing with my eyes, my own eyes. Who is that seeing your eyes? When you close your eyes, when you close the eyes, you are seeing them with the eyes. But when you close your eyes, who is that shining? Who is that illumining? My buddhi, he said, my intellect is shining. Because of my intellect, I know that I have closed my eyes. With intellect, I can know that all the objects intellectually. When you sleep, what is that light which illumines the intellect? When you sleep, there is no intellect is functioning, but still you are there illumining. What is that light? That light I am, he said. That light I am. That means you are the substratum of all these lights. You are the substratum, illuminator of buddhi, illuminator of eyes, illuminator of all stars, illuminator of the sunlight, everything. That means you are everything. He bho aham asmi, aham brahma asmi. He realized this is the teaching. இந்த டீச்சிங் புரியணும்னா எவ்வளவு குவாலிஃபிகேஷன், எவ்வளவு சம்ஸ்காரம், பூர்வஜன்ம புண்ணியம் இருந்திருக்கணும் அந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கு. இஸ் நாட் a student, just like that he came. That is called Atma. That is the essence in this first line. Spurati praneshu hridi ayam jyotihi. What is jyotihi? Jyoti is that in whose presence things are known. What is the definition of light? In whose presence objects, things are known, that is called light. So one light, if you negate and come where you, like peeling out the onion, you go on peel out the onion, what is there now? Nothing. So you remain, aham remain. That is Purati, that is called Jyotihi. Why this sentence? In future, never think Atma is like a light. Prakasha, Jyoti, Atma, never think like that. Now you understand? By presence of whom things are known, that is as good as light. It is a very, very important definition every Vedantic student should note. In presence of whom everything is known. In presence of whom we know everything? Aham, I the Atma, in that presence only you know everything. Therefore, Jyotihi Purushaha. Why he is called Purushaha? That Atma pervading Purayati Sarvam iti Purushaha. Therefore Purushaha. Kutasthaha san Atma, even though this Atma is Kutasthaha. Kutavat tishtati iti Kutasthaha. Kutam ananna theriyumo? And the cobbler, no, the chapel, who repairs the chapel, he keeps one iron instrument on the floor, and that he make all the chapels, repair. So that will not move. That is called kutam. No change, no movement, no chalanam in that kutam. This Atma also nothing doing. Sun is illumining. Suppose, for example, sun is illumining. Tell me, sun is doing any job illumining? Nothing. Adhe madri, this Atma also Kutasthaha. Not doing anything. Sun, Atma, even though Atma is Kutasthaha, Upadhisthaha, because it is available in this Vijnanamaya Kosha Upadhi, the Kartrutvam, Bhoktrutvam of Vijnanamaya Kosha are transferred to the OC. Kartrutvam, Bhoktrutvam, the doership and enjoyership are transferred as though to the OC Upahita Chaitanyam. What is Upahitam? Upadhiyate asmin gunaha. Upadhi gunaha, it express as it were. Upadhiyate gunaha asmin iti upahitam. Therefore, OC is the upahitam, RC is upadhi. So, upadhi is that which transfers its gunas to other. That which takes the gunas is called upahitam. So, OC Atma is upahitam. Vijnanamaya Kosha or buddhi is upadhi. The intelligence, unintelligence, all these which belong to Vijnanamaya Kosha, we are transferring to OC, Chaitanyam, Atma Swarupam. Then what we do? I am unintelligent. I am intelligent, I say. Crystal appearing as red. What I say? Crystal is red. Cholalama? Chollakudadu. The flower redness transferred to crystal, but crystal is white. It has no guna at all. Adhe madri, I, the consciousness OC, is neither intelligent nor unintelligent, neither short nor long, neither sad nor happy. I, the consciousness, not having any gunas. Temporarily, since I am in this upadhi, all these gunas of body, mind, Vijnanamaya Kosha, even prana, மூச்சு வாங்குறது என்ன, உயிர் எடுக்கிறேன்னா, பிராணம் எடுக்கிறேன்னா, ஹூவண்ணா, prana guna I have taken to myself. Mano guna, mind is wavering, Swamini, mind wavering, you are not wavering. See the difference here. This is what happening. Upadhistaha san atma karta bhokta iti kaha chintayati. Ajnani, ignorant person, thinks and takes those attributes as real. Once you take attributes as real, drama begins. Comedy anna paravaile. Ada jnani drama is comedy. Santosham, Anandam. But Ajnani drama is a tragedy. So two dramas are going on in the world. Ajnani drama is tragic. Because there is a lot of traffic, therefore tragic. Whereas Jnani, in spite of all the koshas, it is an abharanam. It is an ornament. Available, the consciousness is available in this body. Wonderful. This is beautiful, really speaking. I got a chance to appear in this body. See how different. At the thinking level, how much difference, no? So everyone can own up that. Everyone means whoever studies Viveka Chudamani, they can own up. Next shloka continues the same topic. Swayam parichedamupetya buddhehem tadatmya doshena param rishatmanah सर्वात्मकः सन्नपि वीक्षते स्वयं स्वतः पृथक्त्वेन मृदो घटानिव स्वयं सर्वात्मकः सन् अपि. Swayam, by myself. By myself means what? Which myself? Osi. How can I know Osi? Sarvatmakaha. Arsi cannot be Sarvatmakaha. It cannot be all pervading. Once I say Swayam Sarvatmakaha means I must be Osi. Original consciousness. Bimba Chaitanyam. What is the other name for Osi? Osi and original consciousness. Enamo Swami Osi 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 and Chumma edavadhu kadaikiradha namakanna. Nijamave Atma chumma da kadaikiradhu. You need not pay anything. It is dearest, nearest, it is available. That is you are. Osi dane. Original consciousness, Bimba Chaitanyam. Swayam aham sarvatmakaha, all pervading in all bodies, in between also, but it is not manifesting, but it is manifesting in the bodies. Swayam sarvatmakaha sannapi, even though I am all pervading, enna pannitan, all pervading pannitan, all pervading I am. Because of my ajnana, I have confined, localized myself into all pervading. Once this all pervading vanda enna hum theriyuma? He, she, it, all this comes. We, all these differences will come. That's what Shankaracharya says now. Swayam sarvatmakaha sannapi. By myself, Swayam, pervading in all bodies. Sarvatmakaha means pervading in all bodies. Sannapi, even though this is the fact, buddhehe parichedam upetya. Even though this is a fact, this is a ever evident fact, but what I do? Buddhehe parichedyam upetya. The limitation, the localization, paricheda means alpatvam, finitude, the limitation of the buddhi means vijnanamaya kosha. I takes to that limitation, parichedya, upetya means prapya, having gained that, attained that alpatvam, as though real attainment of alpatvam kadiyadu. Because of my ajnanam, I think, I consider I am limited. What way you are limited? Anna? What way I am not limited? Sollunga Swami. If I ask what way you are limited? Anna? Ella edathila. What way I am not limited? Kelungo. Appadi solluva. Endha vishayathila nan limitation illa. Ella vishayathila limitation da. Panamu not sufficient. எல்லாமே வீடு வாசனை எல்லாமே திருப்தி கிடையாது, லிமிட்டேஷன் தானே. ஸோ புத்தேஹே பரிச்சேதம் உபேத்ய why he takes that? தாதாத்மிய தோஷேன, because of association. தாதாத்மிய தோஷேன, association with the vijnanamaya kosha. What is that? Param mrishatmanaha. Once I take the limitation, what is it really? Mrishatmanaha means it is mithya swarupam. The limitation is not true, that is unreal. It is not true, it is not satyam. Limitation is not satyam. Param means kevala, kevalam, natu swataha anartham. Param mrishatmanaha, it is not really limited, but it is as though limited. Mrisha, mithya anartham, inferior reality and artham. So the inferior ahankara is mrisha, means mithya. Once the inferior ahankara vijnanamaya kosha is mithya, the limitations of that vijnanamaya kosha are satyam? No. Mithya vastu gunas also must be mithya. The inferior entities, its attributes also must be inferior. So therefore, whatever is inferior is alpam. Whatever is alpam, it is unreal. Whatever is unreal is mithya. So kavalapada venda. If you are not intelligent, you need not worry. It has its own limitations. That is why once you own up, I am Atma, O Siddha, you are free from all limitations. Otherwise, kurai ondrum illai paata paadinde chumma won't work. It will be meaningful when you own up OC. As long as you take yourself as RC, kurai irindinde irukum lifelong. So tadatmya doshena swayam pruthatvena vikshate. Swayam, this swayam vikshate swataha pruthatvena, by itself inferior unreal entity, he looks upon himself. Vikshate, swayam vikshate, he looks upon himself or herself. How distinct, different. He looks upon himself or herself distinctly, pratatvena, differently, separately from OC. From OC or Bimba Chaitanyam, he looks upon himself or herself as different. Pruthatvena. How? Example he gives. Mrudo ghataniva. Mridaha means from clay. Mridaha means Panchami. From the clay, ghatan iva. The pot he sees differently. Pot vere, ghatam vere. A person sees differently. Is it intelligence or unintelligent? Unintelligent. Pot cannot exist separately without clay. Mrudaha ghataniva prudatvena yadha pashyati tadha ajnani jivatma paramatma prudatvena pashyati. Yena jivatma is nothing but is the reflection of Paramatma. So I, the jivatma, is the reflection of Paramatma. That means what? Reflection is unreal. The jivahood is unreal. Jivahood is unreal. I am Paramatma alone. Reflection is not real. அது தெரியறது சுவாமினி, ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் இஸ் நாட் ரியல் అని தெரியறது. இது கூட தெரியணும், அது தெரியறது இல்ல, இது கூட தெரியணும். எப்படி என்ன? ஐ am alone reflecting in the upadhi. That upadhi is nothing, has no separate existence. Ghatam cannot exist without the clay. So clay alone appearing as ghatam. So in the ghata place you have to keep Vijnanamaya Kosha, RC, Jiva. And in clay place you have to keep Atma, OC, Bimba Chaitanya. Now, just as the ghata cannot exist, pot cannot exist without the clay, this ahankara, Vijnanamaya Kosha, Jiva also cannot exist without OC, Bimba Chaitanyam. Therefore, who is real now? OC is real, Bimba Chaitanyam is real. Tell me, you want to hold on to RC, reflection, or OC? Therefore, I am Bimba Chaitanyam. I don't want Pratibimba. Upadhi dharman anubhati tadgunaha ayo vikara navikari vannivate सदैकरूपोऽपि परस्वभावात्. All are very, very nice slokas. In every sloka, one example Shankaracharya gives. Upadhi sambandha vashat. The whole discussion is about upadhi. Because of the proximity. Sambandha means association. Association with upadhi. Vashat, because of the association with the ahankara or Vijnanamaya Kosha, or the association of the superior I with the inferior I, another language. No? You can put in different terms. Association of Bimba Chaitanyam with Pratibimba Chaitanyam, or association of superior I with the inferior I, lower I. Higher I is what? Nice terms, no? Higher I, superior I. நமக்கெல்லாம் ஒரு ஐ தான் தெரியும் சுவாமினி அல்ல. வேதாந்தம் படிச்ச 2 ஐ நமக்கு. லோவர் ஐ எல்லாம் டிராமா பண்றதுக்கு, ஹையர் ஐ எல்லாம் ரிலாக்ஸ் ஆகிறதுக்கு. ஸோ சுப்பீரியர் ஐ இஸ் த ஹையர் ஐ, பிம்ப சைத்தன்யம், ஆத்மா. லோவர் ஐ இஸ் பிரதிபிம்ப சைத்தன்யம், ரிஃப்ளெக்டட் கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ். லோவர் ஐ இஸ் இன்ஃபீரியர் ஐ. Inferior I is mithya, higher I is real, satyam. ஒரு சார்ட்டே போட்டுக்கணும். இல்லைன்னா வீட்டில் எழுதி வச்சுக்கோங்க மேலே. என்ன சார்ட்டுன்னா ஹையர் ஐ, லோவர் ஐ. தப்பில்லை. என்னென்னமோ வச்சுக்கிறாங்கல்ல சார்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் வீட்டில், பிக்சர்ஸ் எல்லாம். ஸோ யூ கேன் see, whenever you see the higher I, lower I, it comes into your mind. சும்மா சொன்னேன். சார்ட்னா இங்கே இருக்கணும் புத்தியில். எல்லா இடத்துல சார்ட்டை எடுத்துகிட்டு போக முடியுமா என்ன? பைத்தியக்காரன் மாதிரி ஆகும்னா இதெல்லாம் வெளியில் இருக்கும், இங்கே இருக்கணும், புத்தியில் இருக்கணும். ஸோ உபாதி சம்பந்தவசாத் ஹூ பரமாத்மா, திஸ் பரமாத்மா வித் த அசோசியேஷன் ஆஃப் உபாதி என்ன பண்ணுறாரு? சும்மா இருக்க மாட்டாரே. உபாதி தர்மான் தத்குணஹ அனுபாதி. உபாதி தர்மான் தத்குணஹ அனுபாதி. இந்த கிறிஸ்டலுக்கு என்ன கெப்பாசிட்டி என்ன? தட் ரெட்னஸ் இட் கேன் ஷோ. திஸ் ரெட்னஸ் you can see in the white crystal. Because this Chaitanyam has got such a capacity, it is very pure. The Chaitanya Atma is very pure. It has a capacity to reflect the gunas, the attributes of inferior I, ahankara. That's Upadhi Dharman. Upadhi Dharman means it's like papatvam, punyatvam. I am a papi, I am a punyavan, I am a miserable wife, I am a low LIG, lower income person. LIG group group I am LIG group HIG group, high income group. Belong to whom? Atma? No. All belong to body, mind. So RC serve as a secondary Atma. Parungo. The kadan vangi enna pandratha parunga. This is a secondary Atma. It is functioning like a Atma. Thanakondum kadiyadu. Kadan vangi showing the, like these people, no, they will borrow the suit. Suit vangi kalyanathu poiduvan. Kalyana, who are all, everybody is respecting him because of that suit. Where from he got? Borrowed. There, adu madri, in the ahankara enna pannadhu, they borrowed the Chaitanyam and showing all its attributes, gunaha. Kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam, what are the gunas? I am the doer, I am the enjoyer, I am the sufferer. All are criticizing me, all are giving problems to me. I am only suffering. I am not taken care of by anyone. All problems. Adi solla avashyam illa Swamini theriyum. So, but other koshas do not have this capacity. This Vijnanamaya kosha has got the capacity to reflect these gunas, superimposing these gunas on Atma. Thula Shriram cannot superimpose. It has no that capacity. Just as the mirror, all glasses cannot reflect your face. Why? Only certain mirrors can reflect your face. Why? It has its speciality. Sthula Shariram cannot reflect. Buddhi alone prana cannot reflect the Chaitanya. It cannot superimpose its gunas, but the Buddhi Vijnanamaya kosha is very close. Annamaya kosha, Pranamaya kosha, Manomaya kosha, Vijnanamaya kosha. So very close. And then it has got a capacity to superimpose, to reflect. That is the meaning. This is the confusion begins here only. Second, confusion begins where in Buddhiloda. I told you in the last class, body never think I am 5'2", 5'3". Who thinks? Buddhi. Body never thinks I am a fair complexion, I am a black person. Body never, the skin never worry about that. Worry alla ingeda. So all our problems because of this Vijnanamaya kosha. Not by Pranamaya kosha, not by Annamaya kosha, not even by Manomaya kosha. Only Vijnanamaya kosha. So that is the speciality of that Vijnanamaya kosha. So that is the confusion between superior I or secondary I and higher I, primary I. This confusion alone is the cause for samsara. Now, samsara cause, this is. The secondary I or ahankara is called upadhi. Primary I or superior I is called upahitam. Primary I or OC, Atma, Bimba Chaitanyam is upahitam. How the example is giving. Ayaha Vikaran avikara vannivat. Once you burn the iron, the blacksmith, what they do? They burn the iron. Iron, when they are burning, whatever shape the iron gets, it is ball shape. What you say? You don't say iron ball. It is a fireball, you say. You say fireball. If you take the iron, which is in ball shape, and you burn it, it appears as a fireball. That means what? Fire has taken the shape of whom? Iron. That which is in the ball shape, round shape. Avikara vannihi. Vikara of ayaha means here iron. Ayo vikaraha means the vikara, the modification. It is a long or it is a round, whatever shape it has got. Ayaha vikaraha, it goes to whom? It appears as though to the fire. If that iron rod is long, this fire also appears as long. Iron rod varku நம்ம வீட்ல கரி கோல் இருக்கு இல்லையா, when you burn the coal, if it is a big coal, it appears in the same shape. If it is a round shape, it appears as a round. It is long, it appears as long. சின்ன வயசுல பார்த்தோம், இப்ப அதெல்லாம் பார்க்க முடியாது. என்ன கேஸ் ஸ்டவ் வந்தாச்சு, என்ன எலக்ட்ரோ வேவ்ஸ் இதெல்லாம் வந்தாச்சு, மைக்ரோவேவ்ஸ். என்ன சின்ன வயசுல அந்த கோல் யூஸ் பண்ணி they used to do சமையல். I used to see in our house they used to cook like that. Gas stove தெரியாது அப்போ. அது மாதிரி இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் தெரியறத அழகா. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி எக்ஸாம்பிள் நீங்க சப்ளை பண்ணுங்க இப்போ. ஸோ ஃபயர் இஸ் ஆத்மா இஸ் லைக் எ ஃபயர். Fire by itself, it has no shape, form at all. Once it associates with the object, when it is burning, it gets the shape of, form of that object. Clear? அதே மாதிரி எக்ஸாம்பிள் நல்லா இருக்கு சுவாமினி. அதே மாதிரி ஆத்மா is like a fire. It has no shape or form. With whatever object it associates, it appears in that form. புரியுறதா? அதான் அயஹா விகாரான் அவிகாரி வன்னிவத் சத் ஏகரூபஹ அபி. Even though Atma is ஏகரூபஹ, it has no different forms. It is satyam gnanam anantam brahma. ஏகரூபஹ அபி paraha swabhavat. Instead of, see, this is what he says, paraha atma ekarupaha api swabhavat, by its nature. Atma, by its nature, it has no form at all. Because of that association of ahankara, lower I, it gets the attributes of Vijnanamaya Kosha as it were. Really it won't get. Fire getting the shape of that object? No. It won't get. Adhe madrida. Similar, another example also in Atma Bodha, Shankaracharya gives. When the earth is rotating, we superimpose this rotation to whom? To the sun. சன் அப்படி உதய ரைசிங், சன் செட்டிங். என்ன சன் ரைசிங்கு கிடையாது, செட்டிங்கு கிடையாது. ரொட்டேஷன் ஆஃப் த எர்த் we are superimposing to whom? To the sun. இத்தனை சூப்பர் இம்போசிஷன் பண்றாளே, அதுக்கு தான் அது கூட பண்றோம் சுவாமி நீ என்ன. இதெல்லாம் சூப்பர் இம்போசிஷன் பண்ண பரவாயில்ல, ஆத்மா அனாத்மா சூப்பர் இம்போஸ் பண்ண ப்ராப்ளம். கண்டினியூ. शिष्य उवाच भ्रमेणाप्यन्यथा वस्तु जीवभावः परात्मनः तदुपाधेरनादित्वात् अनादिर्नाशयिष्यते उवाच అని சொன்ன உடனே பகவத்கீதை 2 வந்தாச்சுன்னா so swabhavat ekarupah api atma, it has no form at all. Even ekarupah na, it is not having any one rupam also, it is formless. Then Shishya has got a doubt. See, this samsara भ्रमेण वा अपि अन्यथा वा अस्तु जीवा भावः. This jivahood, I am a jiva, miserable jiva, I am born, I am going to die, all these problems, this jiva bhava, hey Guru, you are telling it is, has come by because of Brahma, confusion. I don't bother whether it has come out of Brahma or really it is happening, I don't bother. What am I bothering here is Paratmanaha Jiva Bhavaha. Jiva Bhava is who is getting? Paramatma only. That only we are telling, no. Paramatma only became Jivatma. Jivatma only has got these problems. This Paramatma getting Jivatma Bhava, either it is happening because of confusion or because of any other reason. I am not interested in that. I am not interested in that. My problem is, what am I asking? Tad upadhehe anaditvat. You said that jiva upadhi is anadi, beginningless. Anadi, it is beginningless, you said. Tat upadhi means what? Paramatmanaha jivatva upadhi anadi, beginningless. Where? நமக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்காது, அந்த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்டுக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்காது. ப்ரீவியஸ் ஸ்லோகா பாருங்க, ஸ்லோகா நம்பர் 186. அநாதிகாலோ யமஹ ஸ்வபாவஹ. aham swabhavaha anadikalaha. This Vijnanamaya Kosha, I am, this bhava is anadikalaha, you said. It is beginningless. If it is beginningless, na anadehe nashaha ishyate. That which is beginningless, it has no end. It has no end. Anaditvat na nashaha bhavati. Anadehe, that which is beginningless, of that beginningless one, nashaha katham bhavati. Nashaha na ishyate. Nasha, destruction will not be there. Appa enna artham? The jivatma is eternal, it will always be there. Jivahood is there, samsara will continue. You said what is anadi, it will not go away. You only said Vijnanamaya Kosha, Jivahood is anadi, so it will never go. And he is asking, if it is so, it will not be destroyed. Atosya jiva bhavepi nityaha. This is different meter. Atosya jiva bhavopi nityo bhavati samsrutihi. Na nivarteta tanmokshaha. Varteta tanmokshaha. Katham me Shri Guru vada. Now the student asks, Jiva bhavaha asya jiva bhavaha. Ataha means because of that above said reason, that Jivatma is anadi, eternal, it has no beginning Ataha, therefore, tasya jiva bhavaha api. Tasya means Paramatmanaha jiva bhavaha api. Paramatmanaha jiva bhavaha api. The jivahood of Paramatma also Nityo bhavati. It also be eternal. It will become eternal, Shashvatam. Paramatma also always in Jiva-hood. Then what is the consequence because of that? Samsrutihi na nivarteta. Tat samsrutihi na nivarteta. Tat means tasmat karanat. Tasmat karanat means kasmat karanat. Asya ji paramatmanaha jivatma hood, that jivatma bhava is eternal. Tasmat karanat, the samsara of jiva will never destroyed. Na nivarteta. The samsara problem, cycle of birth and death will not be destroyed. Na nivarteta. What is my problem is, then how can I get moksha? Mokshaha, me mokshaha katham Shri Guru Vada. Oh Guru Vada, please tell me. In the Jivatma is Anadi. If Jivatma is Anadi, Paramatma is always in the Jiva Bhava only. How can I become the Jivatma as Paramatma if it is, I the Jivatma is eternal? Then how can I get Mukti, Moksha? அப்போ எனக்கு மோட்சமே கிடையாதா? சிஷ்யா இஸ் வரியிங் ஸோ மச். எனக்கு மோட்சம் எப்படி வரும்? இஃப் இந்த ஜீவா இந்த பர்த் அண்ட் சைக்கிள் அஹங்காரா திஸ் ஜீவாஹுட் இஸ் பர்மனெண்ட் அனாதி, ஹவு கேன் ஐ கெட் மோக்ஷா? வத, ப்ளீஸ் டெல் மீ. ஸோ தென் த குரு இஸ் கோயிங் டு ஆன்சர். That we'll read that shloka and we'll finish. Shri Guru Ruvacha Samyak Pushtam Tvaya Vidvan Samyak Prishtam Tvaya Vidvan Vidvan Savadhanena Tachrunu Pramaniko na bhavati. Oh, there is a reading difference. Pramaniki na bhavati Bhrantya mohita kalpana. Guru is telling, Shabash, Shabash, you have asked rightly. Samyak prishtam tvaya. Guru Uvacha. Guru says, Tvaya samyak prishtam vidvan. Oh, intelligent one, a learned one. You have come up to 193 slokas, you are vidvan only. You have asked rightly. Samyak, rightly you have asked. The question is asked by you. Tvaya means asked by you rightly. Exactly what you have to ask, you have asked now. Savadhanena tatushrunu. I am going to talk about that. Listen with attention. Savadhanena, attention. With attention, shrunu, listen. What is that? Pramaniki na bhavati. Tat mohita kalpana bhrantya. That jivahood, jivatma bhavana is not really pramaniki. Pramaniki means it is not real. It has no pramanam. Once pramana goes and analyze, it will falsify. It is not really there, but it is there bhrantya, because of delusion. Bhranti means delusion. Mohitam, confused. Because of delusion. Mohita kalpana, that is only your aberration, your projection, your imagination, your kalpana. It is not real. அப்ப என்ன அர்த்தம்? நம்ம whole samsara, நம்ம all problems are all கல்பனா. அப்பா கஷ்டம், இது ஓனப் பண்றது கஷ்டம். So we will see that how we have done that kalpana beautifully, wonderfully. We are intelligently managing to do kalpana. We'll see that in the next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om.